Hello traders, welcome back to another EA review. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So today we are looking at the Raptor EA for MT4 and MT5. This one's been around for a while on MKL5, marketed as a smart trend following system, especially for EURUSD on the M5 timeframe. The developer positions it as a reliable, non-martingale robot that uses multi-timeframe analysis to catch trends. Let's break it down and see what it's really about. Alright, so let's walk through the strategy and the developer claims. According to the developer, Raptor EA is powered by a multi-timeframe trend following strategy based on moving averages. It analyzes the relationship between price and one or more MAs, things like how far a price is from the MA in percentage terms, recent crossings, and especially the angle or slope of the MA to confirm a strong enough trend. Right, it doesn't just look at the current chart time frame. It pulls confirmation from up to 4 higher time frames, so you're only trading in the direction of the bigger picture trend. This helps filter out a lot of the noise on M5. Entry logic focuses on solid trend conditions, minimum MA angles so it avoids flat, choppy markets, and specific percentage distances. There are different combo modes for signal variations. Exits are flexible. You can set fixed stop loss and take profits, or use trailing stops, break even after certain stages, or even a jump trailing method. The developer emphasizes is not a grid or martingale system, just clean trend trades with fixed management. They highlight that it's been optimized for major pairs but works on others too, and is suitable for both beginners and pros who want something straightforward yet sophisticated. On their page and signals, they show consistent growth with controlled drawdown in backtests. So we also have some parameters here. We have the general parameters, close orders on weekend. We have slippage, size of lots, magic number. We also have the money management parameters, trailing, stop loss type, the classic SL, trailing SL, break even SL, and the trailing SL by jumps. Then we have the main parameters, time frame, the TFMA period, TF angle, TF percent, and the TF percent cross price. Then the system parameters made up of the quant bars for scale, number angle last, or method, type of calculation MA, or MA price, price type MA, and then combo, signals, options. Alright, so the developer recommends performing optimization once every 2 to 3 months for between 20 and 28 months. Use all parameters from the group, main parameters, and money management parameters to optimize. Alright, so let's take a look at some of their strategy tests. Alright, so on this one, we have on the AUD USD 0.1 lots from 2019 1st of January to 2020 31st July. The initial deposit was $1,000 and the total net profit was $1,493. The profit factor was 3.44 and the balance drawdown was 14.96%. You can see how the equity curve moves, even if it's zigzag here and there, but generally the motion is going towards the upside. You can see a brief period of sideways movements and then it continues with that upward move, and you can see the sharp upward spike here and then continues on its way. Alright, so that looks pretty decent, and you can see another example here on EURUSD, same period. For an initial deposit of $1,000, the total net profit was 1,755. The profit factor was 2.89, total trade 70, and then the balance drawdown was 7.42%. Right, this is all fine and good, but let's now run it through our own personal backtests to see if it actually matches up with what the developer has on the site. All right. So I ran my own backtest on it with $10,000 initial deposits over a 1 year period from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at the equity curve, it's a very smooth, steady upward grind for the most part. It's up and down movements here and there. You can see the kind of zigzag moves and the volatile movement of the equity curve. The drawdown stays really tight throughout. You can see, even though there are some retracements here and there, some dips, overall, it still ended the period quite over the starting balance or the starting point over here on the further right end of the graph. All right, so that was a pretty decent move, even if it's not exactly what doesn't exactly look like what the developer has on the website, but it still looks like pretty decent gains over the 1 year period. So the key stats, the total net profit came in around $471, which is about 4.7% over the period. Um, the gross profit matches that with zero gross loss showing up. You can see max equity drawdown was around 700. As you can see, roughly 6 to 7%, and history quality was 100%. Lots of bars and ticks covered. So the total trades taken over the period was just one trade. So that explains a lot and why a lot of values are the way they are. So comparing that to the developer's claims, the numbers line up in terms of low drawdown and consistent performance. But honestly, that perfect zero less streak over so many ticks raises an eyebrow. Typically, or typical MA multi-timeframe systems usually have some losing trades, especially in raging periods. The thing is, features that actually matter here are the multi-timeframe filters, the MA angle setting to skip weak trends, and the trailing stop options. Those can really help you lock in profits. The optimization requirements every couple months is key as well. Okay. So in practice, this EA should do okay in strong trending markets, but can sit out or struggle during choppy ranges. It's sensitive to spreads and slippage on M5, and no built-in news filter means high impact events could cause some whipsaws. Live trading will likely see higher drawdowns than this backtest due to real execution. So who is it for? It's best suited for experienced traders who don't mind tinkering with settings, running periodic optimizations, and have a solid VPS with a good low spread broker. If you're a beginner looking for complete set and forget, or you want high trade frequency and aggressive returns, this probably isn't the one. Overall, it's a decent trend grinder with realistic expectations, not a holy grail, but could be a useful addition if you test it thoroughly on demo first. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you'd like me to check out next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. It's got a ton of built-in indicators and patterns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.